Hi, I'm Dakshina. As a part of data science and business analytics intern in the Sparks Foundation, I have been given a task on prediction using supervised ML. The aim of this project is to predict the percentage of a student based on the number of study hours and also to predict the score if a student studies for 9.2 hours per day. The dataset is found in this URL. Dataset consists of two variables. The program is done using Python programming language. Let's move on to the project. First, import all the libraries required for the analysis. Then read dataset from URL using pd.readcsv. This is the dataset where scores is the target variable and hours is the independent variable. We move on to the exploratory data analysis, and using this describe function we get the information of the data, which includes mean, standard deviation, min, max, which is the range. Here we can find the range using min and max, first quartile, second quartile and third quartile. Then we check whether there is null value present in the data, and we can see that there is no null values present here. Next, we plot the distribution of scores, and here it is linearly distributed and it's highly correlated. The independent variable hours is highly correlated with the target variable. And move on to the preparation of data. We split the data set into train and test data using train test split from sklearn. Then it's time for modeling, and modeling is done using linear regression model. Using the cross validation technique, we find the mean squared error. So the cross validation is basically taking all the combination of train and test data and calculating combining all the accuracy which is giving the best, and we find the mean squared error using that cross validation. Here we train the model using training dataset. Then I additionally perform two algorithms, that is ridge regression and lasso regression, to check the mean squared error. And among all these algorithms, linear regression mode is giving the minimum mean squared error. So this is the graphical representation of the best fit line. Now we train the model and it's time for prediction, and we compare the actual and predicted values. Finally, we check the performance metrics of the model using R2 score, and here it gave 95%, which means the linear regression model is performing good with 95% performance. In addition to the above, there is an additional analysis to be done to predict the score if a student studies for 9.2 hours per day and the score is 92.91. Thank you.